Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about kale, and I have a list of foods broken up into different categories that are known to pair well with kale. So if you're looking for some new meal or recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the way of protein foods, and this also includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have almonds, beans in general, black-eyed peas, cashews, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, ham, hemp seeds, lentils, nuts in general, peanuts, pecans, pine nuts, pistachios, pork, pumpkin seeds, sausage, seafood in general, sesame seeds, snow peas, sunflower seeds, tahini, tofu, and walnuts. In the way of other vegetables that pair well with kale, there's arugula, beets, bell peppers, bok choy, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, celery and celery root, chard, chilies, chives, dulse, which is like a seaweed, escarole, garlic, ginger, greens, your bitter greens like collards and dandelion greens and mustard greens, leeks, mushrooms, nori, onions, especially red onions, potatoes, radicchio, radishes, scallions, sea vegetables, shallots, spinach, squash, and that includes summer and winter squash, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, and turnips. In the way of fruit that pairs well with kale, there's apples, avocados, cherries, especially dried cherries, cranberries, especially dried cranberries, dates, grapefruit, lemon, olives, oranges, papayas, and raisins. In the way of grains and grain products that pair well with kale, there is barley, breadcrumbs, bulgur, corn, farro, noodles, especially Asian noodles, pasta, polenta, quinoa, rice, especially arborio rice, brown rice, and then also wild rice, and spelt. In the dairy and non-dairy foods category, there's browned butter and butter, cheese in general, but especially cheddar cheese, feta, parmesan, and pecorino, coconut milk, cream, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's chili paste, maple syrup, miso, mustard as in prepared mustard, oil in general, but especially flaxseed oil, olive oil, and sesame seed oil, soy sauce, stock, tamari, vinegar, especially apple cider vinegar, balsamic vinegar, brown rice vinegar, red wine vinegar, and sherry vinegar. I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas on what to do with kale. Bye for now.